boy, Damani.
It's your boy. It's your girl, Jamala.
And today, you want to tell them what we're doing? Oh, I'm going to tell them.
I won't tell them.
All right, tell them what
We're going to make chocolate chip cookies.
And you don't know, we got the ones from Publix. Open it. It is 24 cookies in all.
We washed our hands.
Yeah, we washed our hands already. She already turned on the
oven.
Oh yeah, oven. I thought she would say stove.
This is the stove.
The stove, the oven is on 350.
Lose pencils.
They enjoy.
Denise in the background. She was in the back.
In the background.
Oh, you got. I hope y'all having a good weekend. Hope y'all chilling. Go make sure y'all go get y'all popcorn. Go get anything. So
Yeah. Stay crazy.
Oh, you crazy.
Don't make all them cookies.
Oh, don't make all them. Alright.
You don't have to make all them cookies. See you open them? You don't flip them all like this.
You don't put them all.
one.
Don't put them all in a cake.
No, because you're not making the whole thing.
Let her get some and put them in there.
We separate them.
Yes.
This one.
You probably made cookies before. Y'all probably can make cookies.
Why
better
you take
than
this one out?
I wasn't gonna put the whole thing.
They're too close together.
There is.
Yeah, you gotta spread them out.
You have to spread them out.
Because they're gonna look like a cake. So spread them out.
Oh!
Yeah, spread them out.
I really wanted to look like a cake.
Who wanted to look?
Oh, it's too many in one. Yeah, like that.
Oh.
You guys, we don't know what we doing. So you think we doing something wrong? Comment down below.
It's like ice.
Yeah, it feel like,
Yeah.
bro, it feel like it's outside right now.
Yep.
Oh, I forgot to tell
That's
y'all.
enough.
Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button in 3, 2, 1. As soon as you hit the subscribe button, comment down below.
No. Oh, I just ate something that was raw. I did.
We don't got that much left in here, Mom. Look. We might as well make all of them. Look. That's the body.
You gotta spread them out.
Oh, yeah. You guys?
Spread them out.
Hold on, wait.
It's gonna look like a cake. That already look like a cake.
Y'all, she wanted to look like a cake. Jamal, you want to look like a cake?
No.
Oh, look, these two are close, too close. So I can spread them out.
Like you need to spread these two
I'll
out.
put a row in a row. Yeah.
Like these two.
No, look at these. All right, guys, you're gonna put them in the oven. I'm at the oven. You want some? Come on, put it in there.
Be careful.
Okay.
Up your hand.
All right, you guys, we will get back when the cookies finish. Peace.
Peace, y'all.
Okay, y'all, we forgot one thing. Come on.
Okay.
Alexa, do a fart. We're gonna do one more.
That was a cheap wobbling one. Try asking me for a long and windy fart. Or say random.
A long and ruby fart.
A long and windy.
Here comes a long fart.
Okay. Alexa, stop.
Okie dokie.
All right, y'all. We just wanted to show y'all that.
Okay. We're gonna pick up.
All right, you guys. The cookies are finally done. We're gonna put it on this, and we're gonna wait till it cool down.
I'm not gonna wait.
She don't want it to wait. You don't want it to get cooler?
No.
I want mine to get cool, so I guess I will be back on here by myself to get cooler. Some is soft and some is hard. Not like some is soft and some is hard. She already broke one.
Cause they're hard. Oh my
Get this.
God. They're breaking.
It's like cupcake.
See, I got it. Not that I
See, look at this, y'all. Look. We trying our best. Just eat that.
I'm not eating that. No way. No way I'm not. Come on, stop it.
Y'all got me that I will. No. Don't just pick it out.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you have to.
What you eating?
Like, some is hard and some is not.
Don't.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Oh my God. Move it closer. We made a lot.
Oh my.
Do you think we made a lot, Mom?
Look, y'all. This is sticking. Sticking everywhere. Demani.
No, put it back down. Put it back down.
Plate.
Cut it.
No.
Put it in a plate.
Unless we the only one who's gonna be eating this
We're
cookie.
not eating all the cookies tonight.
We're not.
Like,
We're gonna
I
be high.
am. You said it. And this girl already got her energy. No, cut it.
You will cut it.
You gonna make the camera fall.
It's not in the camera. It's a phone.
The tripod.
Shamika's calling you.
Y'all, somebody was calling, so I thought we would do that.
I was too.
Oh, no, you gotta cut that.
You don't have to cut it. I just cutted it.
You got. I want mine to break in peace.
Look at them cookies.
You guys look at that. Look at that. Just look at it. She want to eat hers now. I'm gonna let her eat hers now. Eat yours now. Eat it. Taste it. Tell them how it tastes.
It's hard.
It's hard and what? We have. Come on. Crunchy. I hate it crunchy.
It's crunch.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
I'm gonna do. I gotta do my test. Okay. You guys, I'm gonna taste it now.
It's not even hot.
This is a soft one. It's crispy. It is. It's good. It's perfect. We tried our best. And it's good. It turned out to be great. Make sure y'all like, comment, hit that notification bell because you will be notified every time we post another video. Peace. Thanks for watching.